We may just see a massive dip in the price of Bitcoin very, very soon as the conflict and the tension between Iran and the American war, guys, kind of reaches new climax, we could say. Trump came out with a crazy, crazy statement recently. So let's take a look at what that means and what could potentially happen to the crypto market. Now, I want to show you guys this over here. Breaking news. Trump essentially says a whole civilization will be taken out tonight, never be brought back again. I don't want that to happen, but it probably will. However, now that we have complete and total regime change where different, smarter, and less radicalized minds prevailed, maybe something revolutionary wonderful can happen. Who knows? We'll find out tonight. One of the most important in the long and complex history of the world. 47 years of extortion, corruption, and death will finally end. God bless the Iranian people. Listen, guys, the price of Bitcoin right now is in shambles, okay? I think that in the next couple hours, we might see some crazy volatility. We really and truly don't know what is going to happen to the price of Bitcoin, especially with the state that the market is in right now. I want you guys to be very, very cautious about the moves that you are making. Bitcoin is flirting with that $70,000 price. It is going up despite that crazy statement that came out from Trump recently. And I feel like in the next couple hours, we might see a Bitcoin at a completely lower price. Now, we might see a dip in the market very, very soon, guys. And that just gives you opportunities to not just load up on Bitcoin, but to load up on altcoins as well. And there's one project in particular that I am loading up heavy on, and that is Bitcoin Hyper. They've already raised $32 million in pre-sale funding. Now, Bitcoin Hyper essentially takes everything that's good about Bitcoin and it takes a bad of Bitcoin and improves upon it. It adds Solana level speed, right? Ethereum level scalability into Bitcoin's decentralization and privacy. And there's also blogs and articles that's being written about this project and saying that Bitcoin Hyper is a high-speed solution designed to transform Bitcoin from a dormant store of value into a functional transactional network. By integrating Solana's virtual machine, the project aims to bring near-instant settlement and negligible fees to the Bitcoin ecosystem without compromising the security of the underlying layer. The goal is to allow Bitcoin to handle the kind of high-frequency throughput usually reserved for much newer centralized chains. The project has already demonstrated significant potential, having raised $32 million in its pre-sale phase, and the Hyper token is currently priced at 0.01, offering an early entry point, but the main net launch triggers wider distribution. They also offer an APY of 36% at the time of recording. You guys could go ahead and check out Bitcoin Hyper with the link in the description, guys. And the best place to go ahead and hold it is, in my opinion, the best wallet. Okay, this is the best crypto and Bitcoin wallet that one can find. It has multi-chain support, supports over 60 chains. And if you were to go ahead and buy Bitcoin Hyper just within this wallet over here, you actually start earning APY on it right away. In my opinion, guys, especially in a time like this where the markets are super uncertain, there's a lot of fear, there's a lot of uncertainty, there's a lot of doubt. Now is the time to slowly accumulate and slowly build. And some of these projects like Bitcoin Hyper, you could be assured that they will be around in the next cycle as well, right? Because they are a layer 2 that's built on top of Bitcoin. And we all know nothing is going to happen to Bitcoin. It's going to be around for the long run. And if Bitcoin's going to be around for a long run, then getting exposure to Bitcoin Hyper is more or less saying you're indirectly bullish on Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is obviously the giant of the space. It's the grandfather. It's the Godzilla of the crypto space. So it's, in my opinion, it's a safe bet. Now, when it comes to Bitcoin Hyper, right, we don't know when it's going to release. I think Q2 should be when Bitcoin Hyper does drop to the public. Now, I want you guys to be aware that when it does come out in public sale, guys, it does mean that the price could potentially go up a lot higher. So you may want to get in early to some of these projects right now. There's a link down below for you guys to go ahead and participate in the pre-sale, like I said. With that being said, family, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care, y'all, and peace out.